get started.
Do you see it?
Yes, perfect. So,
We have these ones.
and what are they? They're
Putty flarps.
I think they're flarp.
That's green. That's yellow.
It's yellow. And then you also have over here, you have rainbow ooze. Oh, they got really cool ones. These are from Walmart. We got these.
All of them are from Walmart.
Yeah, really cool. It'll be fun to open.
Let's open it. There's a bubble.
Yeah.
Guys, it's the best slime. I
Is it a good
used
one?
to have this.
Really?
It's so melted. Feel this.
I'd love to
It
see it. Let
smells.
me see.
It smells.
What does it smell like?
It smells like blueberry.
Oh, it smells really good. It smells like blueberry. Does it say it on the package? Let's see. Must say it.
This is ginormous. Now we're done.
I don't see where it says scented. But it smells amazing. It's amazing.
I'm gonna smell. Now we're gonna open this one up. We're gonna open this one.
Okay. Amazing. It's amazing.
Yeah. This smells like banana.
Oh, nice.
This smells different.
Let me see.
You guys smell it. Ooze.
Okay. Let me see.
Okay.
Rainbow ooze. Ooh, let's see this one.
Did you know that there's covers? There's little plastic covers so they don't mix.
Oh.
Because I saw this on YouTube.
That's really
They're
cool.
regular. There's little plastic things so they don't get mixed.
Oh, there's plastic things in between.
Yeah.
That's
So they
pretty
don't get
cool.
mixed. But they.
Does it smell?
Let's see if they spreadsheet. There's pulley. No fell.
No scent?
It's regular. I mean, but look how clear. Look how clear that is, guys.
That's really cool. I like that color a lot.
Not coming out. The thing's not coming out.
You want help?
Yeah, I need help.
Okay.
These look so cool. Are you doing it? You got the orange out?
Sure.
The yellow?
Pink?
Now we're gonna use the other ones after this. These are the hardest ones to get out.
The ones at the bottom, they're hard.
Yeah. You have to dig it through, dig it through. That one's side over here.
Oh, I like that one. That's my favorite one.
I wanna go on with this one.
These all came from the same package.
We only have 3 more left. Okay, guys. You're so gooey and dacky. So it's so filled to the top. Actually, we have yellow at the bottom and then a pink. Very bottom. This is my favorite one.
Oh, the green is nice.
They shine a light in it.
Okay. Put it back a little bit. There you go, perfect. Nice and clear. think I'm liking these rainbow oozes. Rainbow ooze. Very nice.
They're touching. Oh,
It's okay.
no.
That's okay. That's why it's called rainbow ooze. Because they ooze into each other.
I think the oozes are my favorite. Because they're oozing each other. That's how they call ooze, 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 ooze. Look at that purple. My favorite color is purple. It's purple. It's like glitter. These are like the clear slime that I used to have. Okay guys, now we're gonna do, we're gonna finish this one. Oh, ew, ooze. So called it ooze, 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 ooze. It's the smallest one I ever saw.
Actually, is that another yellow one? You can mix that with the other one. Put it right on
Nah,
there.
I just want to keep it.
Okay.
So after this, I'm gonna show Daddy.
All right.
So don't mix it.
Got it.
It's purple, right? I don't want them to mix. Please don't mix. I'm gonna put this one up here, okay?
Sure.
Oh no!
Ooze down.
Please.
Look, it's
I'm gonna put them
oozing.
on the edges.
It's not a fast ooze though.
I just want to ooze it like that, so you don't fall, and they don't mix.
Oh yeah, look at the oozing. It's a slow ooze.
God, it's oozing. Put one in the middle.
You have another pink one?
Yeah.
Let me see.
It's probably a little different than that one. This one was. This blue is my favorite. Look at that glitter, guys. I'm gonna do ooze. I wanna see ooze. I want it to ooze. Come on, stop oozing. Put this one right. Where can we put them? I need to go get them. You know, I don't think you're supposed to know. Okay, so we got one more. I'm still pink on this one. This one's probably the slimiest.
That's the slimiest one.
Yes, it's still sticky.
There's a whole bunch of different shades of pink.
I think I know why. Because some has to be clear with no glitter in it.
Yeah?
But they have a little bit of glitter in it.
See.
Oh my god, no.
Let me see your beautiful creations.
Okay guys, look. My birthday pies.
Your birthday pies?
Yeah,
Ooh, they
I'm
look
not
so yummy.
gonna let Daddy have some since it's birthday tomorrow.
Oh, okay, that's very nice of you. Which one do you think which one's your favorite?
It's the purple and blue.
Purple and blue?
No!
I think I really liked the smelly one.
It
I
changed!
I like the flarp.
It changed color!
Did? The blue is
Daddy!
blueberry, and
No, I'm gonna.
the yellow
We
is
have it.
banana. we got them all together.
Yeah, we mixed them all together. And my brother came to mix them.
Oh, nice. Oh, look at that. Love
Let's
it.
get out of the bowl. Ready?
Yep.
Look right there, it's turkey in like brown color.
Oh, that's really cool.
Let's put this glass down here.
All right.
Guys, I'm gonna make a bubble.
That's
Oh
really
my God.
cool.
It's really flar because the. Oh, I forgot to mix this one up. That's good. It's yellow. The yellow smells so good. I wish I didn't mix it.
It smells like banana.
I wish I never mixed this one.
That's fun.
Let's see how sparchy this is. Nope, it's not sparchy. It's pretty sparchy. Look, guys. Oh no, it just rips. It's a giant solid looking man. Mom, puppies.
Oh no. Hold the flip. Wow, that looks so cool.
Okay, bye, guys. I'm gonna pick it up and then throw it.
Cool. Wow. Just the smell of this just smells so nice. It smells like banana and blueberry. Oh my goodness.
Daddy. Look at what I'm here, guys. Daddy.
Looks cool.
It turned into a brown color.
It's all like green.
You smell it too? It smells like blueberry and banana
I'm gonna smell.
from that flarp.
Oh, there's spider webs right here.
Can I see?
Yeah. Feel it.
Oh, it smells good.
You too, Cam. Oh.
Yep. Oh, that's cool.
Ready? Ah.